Hey everybody, welcome back. Savage here with the Forex Peace Army.com. Let's have a look in the gold market. So today probably we could make some just general observation of the market. You could see that activity is very slow. It seems that investors are just been tired from the unstoppable pressure, stress over market manipulation, big volatility and so on. Currently we are coming to the holidays. Today we will get the CPI numbers. We'll get the meeting of the Donald Trump, the Iranian politicians in Pakistan. So investors just, I suppose, think that it's not worth it to keep the positions for this stuff, and it's better to wait and see what will happen. In general, commonly, if you take a look at the lower time frames on the 4 time frame chart, on the hourly chart, yesterday we talked a lot about the targets, about the validity. So currently market still holds the necessary conditions for remain bullish. On the 4 time frame chart, you could see that overall pullback here is not really significant. Market stands in this channel. Yesterday we said that pullback might start, but we prefer to wait for some clear patterns. They have not been formed, but market still has shown this upper minor pullback from the support area that we talked about. At the same time, currently, take a look, we have the divergence here, and in general this pullback on the gold was significantly lower than the euro. On the euro we've got the new top, in fact. Some wash and rinse here, and starting with the drop action here, we do not have it. At the same time, if you take a look at the hourly chart, market stands far above these lows, which is vital for bullish, short-term bullish context. In general, retracement stands small, and actually market even holds above the previous triangle consolidation that has been broken, which is a good sign. Shape of the retracement is also very gradual, slow, so we would not see any significant drop, something like this. Now you could see that another type of the triangle is forming here. So for now, I wouldn't say that this performance is bearish. So in general, it's normal performance, especially if it will turn later to clear triangle that will be confirmed near the top. Triangle consolidation, as a rule, is a bullish sign. But market now is too sensible to external factors. This might be inflation, that might be a result of the negotiations. Donald Trump like to add fuel to the fire, tweeting, unstoppable tweeting in the social media with any fakes and actually whatever. That makes negative impact on the market right now. So let's just see what will happen. If we will see some early reversal here to the upside, it might become the butterfly as usual. But unfortunately at this moment right now, I do not see just clear perfect pattern that we could take. If even market will drop slightly lower back to the lows, it will not become the strategy. It will be normal retracement and performance inside the triangle consolidation. That's why currently, I think that maybe it makes sense to wait a bit and see what will happen. Because any bet right now that you could do, for instance, you'd like to buy right here, you will have to rely on some suggestions that maybe something will be formed, maybe something will happen, but not relying on some clear patterns here. If you only do not want to foresee, for example, this butterfly, in this case, yes, you could place stop here, buy, take position, and just see what will happen. But for now, on Friday, before the holidays, before important events, maybe it makes sense to be patient a bit and see what will happen. If you somehow still have taken a long position here around it, that's great. So you probably could move stop to break even and see for the following events. So that, guys, probably all that we could say in the current moment. Just let's see what will happen, and hopefully next week we still will get some more interesting steps on the gold market.